So I got 4 colors I'm going to be using today. I'm going to add silicone to 2 of them. Now it's just a matter of what ones. I'm going to add it to the Artist Loft Cerulean Blue. Please open. And I'm going to add it to the Winsor & Newton Crimson. Very bright, vibrant red, and I like it a lot. The other 2 colors I am going to be using today are Liquitex Basics and Quinacridone Magenta and Grumbacher Dioxazine Purple, because my favorite colors by far. So 2 there. Didn't want to fall. So I grabbed sticks just so I could see what my consistencies were like, and they seem to be okay just from pouring them in. I'm glad I actually added the extra drop of silicone in this because I have a little bit more paint, but I just used this the other day, so it should be okay. And this, like, I like having these cups because it keeps them good for longer. So I'm just gonna stick these sticks off to the side because they're really not needed right now. I'm purpling myself. So I'm gonna start and go red. Purple. Excuse me. Blue. Pink. Red. Trying to get the red and the blue to touch. Like that. Get the rest of the blue out. Purple and red. Okay, so I'm actually not going to put black through it this time because I put white on my canvas, and the way I put white in my canvas seems to incorporate white into all my paintings. So we shall just roll with that. I'm dripping all over the place. Okay. Flip. While I was setting up earlier for this, I came to the harsh reality of I am really running low on materials and need to go shopping very soon. Nothing wrong with that. I don't mind shopping. It's always fun. And it was just like, oh! Like, I was taping my canvas and ran out of tape while taping my canvas, and that was always fun. I managed to figure it out nonetheless. Alright. I got smart and put gloves on first this time. Not making that same mistake as last time. Okay, let's not hit the cup so much. There. Go me. Whatever. Ah! Now I'm hitting the camera. I'm sorry. My elegance, some days, it astonishes me. I mean, the lack thereof. When I was in the 8th grade, I fell up the stairs and broke my nose. Because I am an elegant person. Klutzy at best. And that's putting it nicely. Like, the principal was in the room when it happened. He's like, wow, hon, you went down like Bambi on ice. And I'm like, thanks. Yeah. So, I was always known as the girl that hurt herself. Not on purpose, but always on accident. I was known as the class klutz, I guess. Okay, so before I lift this, I'm gonna let it do its thing underneath there. This is hair the neon dried. Very pretty. Oop. Poking it with the cup. I really like how this turned out. Very different. And then this is how the earth tone one dried. It actually turned out a lot nicer than I expected when it dried. I'm okay with it now. Still not my favorite thing in the world, but I'm gonna have to try these colors with a ring pour or a string pull or something, because flip cup was not it, that's for sure. And then the last one that I just released isn't dry yet, so I got a baby amount of paint this time. I don't want to mess with it too much, you know? Okay. Because that's really pretty, and I don't want to mess too much with it while it's like this. Let's see what I can get. Wow, these cells are so, like, just huge and perfect and beautiful. And yeah. Get that corner. I'm really impressed with this. Bring it down like that. And like, I'm gonna go for diagonal corners. And then there. And bring it back. Oop. Go this way with it. Oh, there's some cool looking drips on the table. Neat. I'm trying not to distort things too much. Just kind of want to get rid of that gross drill down at the bottom there. Come on, you can do it. Oh, come on. You... Oh, look at that gloop. Oof. I'll just touch up that edge on my own. That's gross. Okay. Use my thumb and just stick some pure white in this corner. Why not? Now that I realize it's not centered, and I'm very sorry. There we go. It's really neat to see it like this. I'm so excited to see what the torch brings out. Like, oh, so pretty. This is so cool. I'm glad I added it to, like, added the silicone to the colors I chose anyways, because this is just wow. I am so impressed with this. I gotta get you down for a close-up because this is just... I love tiny cells. I don't know why. I love tiny cells, and get out of here, fruit fly. Thank you. Of course, random fruit fly. Flute fry? Words. Me trying to speak sometimes. So like I said, get you down for a close-up because this is amazing. The tiny cells. I love tiny cells. So it came to my attention recently that some of you may want to purchase some of these, and if you do wish to purchase a painting, please email me what one you would like. A few of these are going to friends. This one is not, but like, I'm happy to sell them. It's not a problem for me. It's I just don't want to set up a store. Don't want to deal with that side of it right now. So if there is anything that particularly interests you, send me an email. My email information is on my about page, so it's rather easy to find. If you just go to my channel and scroll all the way to the end, there's an about tab, and you will find it there, along with all my social media stuff. So you can also DM me there. Let me know what you guys think of this one. I think it looks incredible. Like this video if you like this painting. Share with your friends to spread the love. And subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you all next time.